as we have seen the temperature affect the permeability of soil. Permeability is inversely proportional to viscosity of the fluid. It is known that the viscosity varies inversely to the temperature, hence permeability is directly proportional to the temperature. Greater the temperature, the greater will be the permeability of the soil, because the seepage of water means the flow of water to that particular soil mass will get also increased. Now absorb water, what is absorb water? The water absorbed when we take in the soil mass, when the water, देखिए दोस्तों, जो हमारा soil mass होता है, the water between the void, it is when the water fills between the void, it is said to be capillary water. And when the water is absorbed on the soil surface area, means we are, अगर हमने कोई मिट्टी ली है, and when we are saying that the water is filled with the soil is filled with the water, so there is different water means present in the particular soil mass. एक जो हमारा होता है कैपिलरी वाटर होता है. व्हाट इज कैपिलरी वाटर? कैपिलरी वाटर इज बेसिकली द वाटर बिटवीन द सॉलिड ग्रेन्स. द कैपिलरी वाटर इज बेसिकली द वाटर बिटवीन द सॉलिड ग्रेन्स. ठीक है, ये हमारा कैपिलरी वाटर होता है, ये हमारा कैपिलरी वाटर है. And when the water absorbed on the surface area of the soil mass, when the water absorbed on the surface area of the solid waste, then that water is said to be absorbed water. And we can say that the fine grained soil, they have a higher specific surface area. It means the absorbed water get also increase, means when we absorb water increases, the permeability of soil get decrease. So we can say that the absorbed water measure in terms of specific surface area, and we have seen कि अगर specific surface area हमारा increase करता है, then that particular permeability of the soil will get decreased. So we can say that the key permeability of the soil also depends on the absorbed water, and if the absorbed water increases, then the permeability of the soil decreases, because this reduces the size of the void space, because when the water over the surface area increases, the size of the void get decreased and the permeability in turn get reduces. And it also inversely proportional to the organic matter. Organic matter क्यों ऐसा क्यों है? Because अगर आप दोस्तों सोचिए कि अगर ये मेरा हाथ है, मैंने इसमें पानी डाला, and if there is some restriction, means अगर कोई object मेरे fingers के बीच में present, so it will not allow the flow of water through it. In the same manner, when there is any organic matter like आपका vegetable, grass root, अगर solid grains के बीच में फंसा हुआ है कि अगर उसमें उसके voids में है, so it will not allow the passage of water through it. So we can say that the permeability of that particular soil, if containing organic matter between the void, that particular permeability will get decreased. So we have seen, if the absorbed water increases, specific surface area get also increases, and the permeability will get decreased. And if the organic matter present between the voids of the soil mass, that means the permeability will get also decreases. Okay, and